Hello everyone, thank you for watching our channel. Now, today I will introduce our selling pendant from here first. Firstly, I will introduce myself. My name is Rupert. I work in here first over 10 years. Okay, now, first you will take a look at our opening status. Here contains 1, 2, 3, and 4 selling pendants. Now, this is the first selling pendant for display monitor. You can take a look its appearance firstly. For this unit, we integrated the motor here, so we can move this arm up and down by remote controller. For this unit, not only the display monitor and on the rear side, you can see we integrated with different power socket here. Even for this cable, we can connect a network cable, a video, and how to say this one? This is acoustic cable. And for this distance, the move height distance around 30 centimeters. Now, next is a selling pendant. Usually works for doctors. This unit, you can see compared to this motor, we add one is a shelf and also the drawer. Besides power socket here, also we add the gas outlet here. Oxygen, air, medical air, and the vacuum. Sometimes also we integrate with carbon dioxide for endoscopy, especially for carbon dioxide insufflator. For this unit, we can also control this here for the movement of arm. And the movement distance also the same as the type, 30 centimeters. Okay, let's move the third one. This one, you can see it's a mechanical arm. And for this arm, you will have two sides. One is 60 centimeters and the other is 80 centimeters. And for this arm, you will support around 300 kilograms. You can see here, also the same as like this, can integrate with the power socket. Also, gas outlet here. Maybe you are interested in what function for this. Actually, we can put our smart central control module in it. And on the other operating set, you can see our smart central control module. Okay, the last one is for initial assist. Now let's move the last sending pendant for one operation circuit. Actually, in operation circuits, there must be an initial machine, and this sending pendant is specially designed for initial machine. On the rear side, you can take a look. Gas outlet here, and also power socket here. Compared to other sending pendant, we integrated the motorized lifting system here, and it can be controlled by this panel. Up, down. Usually, for initial machines, we will equip one blanket, and this lifting system attached to the blanket can hold the initial machine up and down. This design is for this pendant is considered consideration from sterilization for initial machines. Besides this, we also integrated the one background lamp on the distributor. For this lifting system, the distance around 40 centimeters, so it's enough to move the initial machines off the ground. And for these machines, you can also see the blanket arm for display monitor. And for these initial machines, we also integrated with our industrial drugs management software. Now, after our first operation status, now we can take a look at our the second operation status. You can see our second operation status integrates the high advanced models than the first ones. Firstly, this is an pendant for display monitor and support for 4 display monitors. Maybe you already found that this ceiling pendant distributor is totally different as the last one. This power socket placed on the background, on the back side, and at the first operators, the power socket placed on the left or right side. And this model can be also moved by remote controller up and down. And the distance also the same, around 30 centimeters. Okay, the second one. The second one, maybe from the look, it is the same. It looks the same as the last type in the first operation status, but the difference on 3 sides. One is for power socket. Okay, take a look. Power socket here. It's modular designs. Also, you may find we also resolved some module here, blank module here. Such designs. It's our new designs since last year. Actually, this consideration in terms of sometimes for medical equipment put here, and maybe the plug will be interrupted by each side. Also, you can take a look at the gas outlet here. Also, modular designs. Like this, also with a blanket module here. And this module can be moved and changed, so it's very easy for maintenance. Like the previous one, this model can be also moved by this remote control for the arm. And for this unit, you can take a look at our change for the drawer. It's totally different. This is our sliding drawers, new designs. Okay. Now, the important selling pendant we designed this year. You can take a look. Now, for this unit, we placed the power socket on the right side or left side. Also, the modular designs for power socket. Even this equipment terminals, we make it recessed type, not like the old type is exposed. Now, this module is that I just introduced in the first set. These are our central control stations for our digital operation center solution. Different video. Okay. And this module, this selling pendant can be also worked as endoscopy. This is for endoscopies, endoscopy blanket. Also, you can find the power, the gas outlet integrated in the central, not like that one integrated the same as that one with the same side power socket and also gas outlet in the same side. It's not that good because for installation power socket and power gas outlet they must be assembled with one important principle. That means power socket and gas outlet must be isolation. Okay, now let's see the last one for selling pendant. You can take a look, nearly the same as the one for NSO machines. Also the control panel for the lifting system, even also the red light for this LED strip. Now after introduce our selling pendant in operation theater, the last one I will introduce selling pendant for ICU and NICU. Now take a look. From here, we can see we integrated the true selling pendant for one hospital bed in ICU. Sometimes we call it blended selling pendants. You can see for arm, this arm we need a double arm, and this one is a single arm. This double arm can increase the movement range. For this unit, you can see we add more inferior rod here to hold the syringe pump. Also like this for infusion pump or syringe pump. Power socket here. Oxygen, air, and vacuum. This is the other type of distributor. We call it H1. H means horizontal, and that one is V1 or V2. This model H1 means horizontal distributor, and for this unit, we integrated the power circuit and gas outlet in the same way, and leave enough space for machines like patient monitors, like such as ventilators, can be placed here. Also with the storage drawers. And can be rolled around 330 degrees. Okay. What we discussed here all is a ceiling pendant with arms. Now let's see the other type with beam. This we call it a beam. You can take a look. This is the same designs. The same designs for ICU bed, but we put this beam here, and sometimes we can put the power circuit, also gas outlet here. We make the nurses can observe the patient's situation very easily. This side, we also integrated the infusion rod to hold the infusion pump, also the syringe pump. For this ceiling pendant, you can see here, we can add some spotlight here. Even for this unit, can be moved like this. Can be positioned very easily by this handle. You see here. Usually for this beam, we have two distance. One is 250 centimeters, and the other one is 300 centimeters. So it depends on the hospital's ICU space. Can be also rotated very easily and fluently. Okay, let's move here. You can see this motor without any arm, so the cost will be much cheaper. For maybe some hospitals, they require very small budget. The function can be, for this ceiling pendant can be moved like this. Also with the drawers. The same one. And also place the infant radiant warmer between them. For this unit, similar as the one over there. But for this unit, you can just bring it. Can be also move like this. Even move to the other beam-based ceiling pendant. So this designs for neonatal. So this is the central weight blanket can be shared among this incubator and also this radiant woman. This is the same designs. Okay, now I will introduce our inner structure for different components. First one, you can guess, this is for arm. You can see like this for the arm inner structure. This model for our distributor head. Like this. Power socket, and also for this one for telephones or for network. This designs for the beam. Okay. You can find here the power socket and the gas outlet. They installed in different sites. That means you must make the power socket and the gas outlet in different sites to make the isolation. This is very important for the safety of silent pendant. Okay. Okay, after introduce our different silent pendants, what you saw here, I think it's very necessary to introduce our different components by PPT, a PowerPoint here. Now, components, it usually consists of supply head, arm, also very important parts, electric and gas outlet, even the dead socket. The wall, shelves, drawers, even the basket. And even for the wet side, we needed to equip with the infinite rod, also extension arm, even the resin light. Here, you can take a look at our distributor head. V1 is our traditional distributor head. And V3, V4 is our new designs, just designed this year. V2 through V5. You can see here V5 with different modular designs of power socket, even the gas outlet. The horizontal type H1 to H2. H2, you can see the power socket placed on the left side or right side. But in the central side, we equipped with gas outlet. Here, take a look. Installation of a power socket and the different modular designs. From the left side is the modular designs for power socket, different types, and the blanket modular socket. This one is for power, the gas outlet. The beam designs, the previous designs, and the current designs. Different arms. Here, from the left side, without arm, just planes. And this one is a single arm, double arm, electrical arm, and electrical double arm. On the left side, on the bottom, is the pneumatic braking system. Sometimes the hospitals have enough budget, and they need the ceiling pendant move very easily and can be controlled fluently. So they need such a gadget braking system. Gas outlet. Usually for different countries, they may require different types of gas outlet. Usually on the foreign market, German type, also for American or even for Latin American, they prefer US type. US type has 3 types. One is Omida, second one is Chemetron. The third one is from Medtronic, PB. Also for some British country and also colonial countries, they prefer British type like this. This type is for French infra. It's auxiliary accessories to gas socket. For the power socket or for gas outlet, firstly, you need to connect a plug in it. This plug can connect different accessories like oxygen plug, also like the vacuum plug. There's a different type of power socket from universal type, China type, European type, and also American type. Each power socket must be equipped with equipotential. Also for ceiling pendant, sometimes it requires LAN cable, also the telephone cable, even the Q9 video cable. Yeah, this I discussed previously in operators. Our new ceiling pendant can make this equipotentials recessed, not like before this is exposed. So this one will be more safe. This jaw change. This previous jaws, the shelf, sorry, it's a shelf. The shelf is a single layer, but for this, the new design is a double layer. Double layer can be hold much more load. For example, for this maybe around 30 kilograms, but for this will be can load up to 45 kilograms. Okay, this is jaws, old design, new designs. You can see the old designs, the side rails are very simple, and this one is new designs. We call it riding jaws. All the rails is imported from Belarus. So when pull it or push it, the voice is very low. So maybe in operation theaters or in ICU, you must make a noisy, very, very slow. What's more, yeah, okay. It's an inferior rod. Inferior rod, we mount with 2 types of bracket. This one is for vertical, and this one for horizontal distributor. The types of articulated bracket for display monitor, the storage basket. Yeah. Here, the last one introduced for our illumination light. The first site is reading light. Reading light, you can see here. This one will be for patient. And this light, spotlight. Okay. Besides 2 types of light, we also have up background light for ICU and down background light for ICU. Even for distributor V2, we integrate with the LED strip for unnecessary machines or unnecessary tests. Okay, so much for that. Now, besides models in operation setters, also models in operation setters, we also provide a different selling pendant that we just show not here. We show our PowerPoint. Okay, now so much for our PowerPoint. Now, so if you have any issues, you can contact our sales representatives for your different market. Thank you.